So finally, we have step 5. After everything is passed in the escrow period, you'll receive your mortgage commitment from your lender. You'll get the clear to close documents, and that's going to be based on your appraisal that we talked about earlier and just final underwriting. You might need to submit some more documents to your lender just to secure the final mortgage. You and your realtor should schedule a final walkthrough. Usually this is the morning of or the night before if possible. That's going to make sure that if you had any repairs that you requested to be done, you make sure that they're completed before closing. And after your final walkthrough, if everything looks good, you're going to go over to the title company or again to your real estate attorney's office. You're going to sign your closing documents and you're going to receive your keys. And congratulations, you're a homeowner. From closing to escrow is going to be about from 30 to 45 days in length total. That's going to be case by case depending on if the seller needs more time to move or if you need more time to move in. You of course can put those things in your contract, those dates, but usually the process is going to take 30 to 45 days. Some tips before you close or around closing day: just remember to schedule your utilities to be transferred to you on your closing date. Think about your moving timeline, especially if you want to make some repairs or you want to paint. It's not necessarily that you need to move on closing day. You might want to take care of those items before you move in fully. One tip that I highly recommend as well is consider purchasing a home warranty. Home warranties usually cover base maintenance issues that happen with a home. You pay a small monthly payment, and then when those issues come up, you have the opportunity to pay a small deductible, and then a warranty company usually covers the rest. I wanted to keep